Good morning and welcome to today's vlog. It is the 3rd of November I think today, and we are going to Leeds Castle for Bonfire night, and neither of us have been to Leeds Castle's fireworks. Oliver doesn't actually think he's been to Leeds Castle full stop, so today should be a pretty good day. The fireworks start at 5:30 this evening because obviously last weekend the clocks went back, so it gets dark at about 10 to 5 now, so it's getting dark pretty early, and because I think it's a family kind of event, the fireworks are pretty early at this one. So we're gonna head up just after lunchtime because the place opens at sort of 2 PM I think, and there's lots of, well, hopefully there's going to be lots of things on at the castle, and Oliver's particularly looking forward to a falconry display or something like that. So we're going to take you along, see some fireworks and see what's going on at Leeds Castle today. I'm not sure what the temperature's like because neither of us have been out. Oliver nipped outside to the car, but he didn't actually say what the temperature is. But the sun's shining, which is good, so it will keep it a little bit warmer while we're wandering about during the day, and then I expect in the evening it's going to be pretty chilly because it's already feeling like winter now. It just jumped from autumn. Well, it didn't even feel like autumn really. Like, we were just over a week ago, I was in the garden raking some leaves with my mum and dad and Oliver, and I was absolutely boiling in like a long sleeve t-shirt like this, and now it's bloody freezing again. So winter truly is here now, but should be a good day.
The Simpsons or Rugrats? It's a tough decision on a Saturday morning.
Simpsons all the way. What are you looking forward to today?
Looking forward to seeing some birds of prey, because apparently there's
What's that with your hand?
There's a bird flapping. Apparently there's a falconry where we're going today.
Yes, I have said.
And I've got a new lens, new camera lens.
Yeah, I haven't explained that.
No, you have or you haven't?
I haven't, no. Go on, tell them that
You tell them.
You're a greedy birthday boy.
I've been waiting patiently actually, and we haven't really got a plan now on my actual birthday, so I think it's only fair that I got my birthday present
20
a few weeks early.
days early.
25? 25?
Yeah,
4.
24. Yeah, I got Oliver a lens for his birthday, and we were going to go to Richmond Park on his birthday, but we're all Londoned out. Aren't we?
You've been once and that was enough for you, and I've been twice this week, so twice in 1 week.
I look like a floating head.
I don't.
Yeah, so we'll do something on your birthday.
Yeah.
We'll take the camera out of his dryer, but he's got a shit birthday, 27th of November.
Why's that shit?
It's right before Christmas and the weather's not very good. It's much better to have a June birthday.
Oh yeah, I know.
Not gonna lie.
It would be better to have a summer birthday, but you can't pick and choose these things, can you?
You can try. We're in.
Nice and early for a change.
But always early.
Always early.
Lots of people behind us.
Fairground, nice autumn colours, castle.
Speak up.
We always have a castle that's got a scaffolding, or
It might have to have
an abbey
scaffolding
or a
to protect it
cathedral.
from the fireworks. Oh,
or maybe it's the stage actually.
it's a shit looking stage then if it is.
Like that.
So there's a fairground and he's heading to a falconry. He's not interested in that fairground.
That's at 3 o'clock. I don't know where it is yet.
Oh yeah, it's quite early still. But colours are good today. And it's not too cold at the moment, which is good, but it will be later.
I like the arches for getting your boat through.
Oh yeah. Probably going to be full up later. Everyone coming in. Found where the falconry display is going to be. It said that it was here at 3 PM, so if it's not here at 3 PM, someone's lied to us. It looks like it, doesn't it?
Yeah, I think they're walking down.
Waiting for the fireworks now. What is the time?
I don't know actually.
4:05.
Yeah, keep walking. Keep walking.
Time to keep walking.
Try and shoot with my camera.
No. Oh, it's gone off, look. Ooh. That's better. Whoop, whoop.
I can't hear you.
Yes.
Are you ready?
Yes.
In that case, the Leeds Castle Fireworks Spectacular is about to begin.
We are home from the fireworks. We managed to get away before the crowds, didn't we? Because we were parked right near the exit, and we kind of left the fireworks display a little bit early before they finished, because one of Oliver's friends said that it took him an hour and a half just to get out of the car park a couple of years ago, or whenever it was. And ain't nobody got time for that. We had dinners in the oven. Basically all the stalls that were there were like food stalls, weren't they? There was fish and chips, donuts, Thai, burgers, German sausages. So we had to resist all the food stalls because I had some tandoori that I'd marinated yesterday actually, so that definitely needs eating tonight. So we're having curry for dinner, which will be nice and warming. I've got my pyjama bottoms on, and Oliver's cozy under the blanket editing. So yeah, it was really good, the fireworks.
Really good, yeah.
Neither of us have been before, and yeah, there wasn't as many people as I thought. You didn't think that either, did you?
I thought it'd be slightly more people.
Yeah, we thought there would be more there.
But it was good that it wasn't.
Yeah, it was good.
When you can't move.
Yeah, it's not good when it's rammed.
Yeah.
But there's something like, I always enjoy a bonfire evening because it's like everyone else is wrapped up, and it's, even though you're cold, it's quite cosy, and it's kind of like a communal, everyone's getting cosy and ready for winter, and the fireworks are good. The only thing I didn't like, there wasn't a bonfire at this one, which
maybe because it's more of a children.
Yeah, but that Kent Life one was definitely a kids one, and that had a bonfire.
Yeah.
So that always is quite. It makes you feel warmer as well because of the heat from the bonfire, which is good, and makes it feel a little bit more like bonfire night. But the fireworks were really good. They kind of like, well, you'd have seen the clips that hopefully that I just shown you, but they were kind of all over the backdrop of the castle, and where we stood near the exit actually was the best spot, wasn't it? Because all the good like the big fireworks were going off away from the castle.
So you had a clearer sort of panoramic view.
Yeah, we had a clearer view of it. Oh, there's some more going off where we live. So yeah, all in all, a good day. He saw some birds of prey. Yeah, birds of prey.
Kestrel, and we saw an owl as well.
They'd have seen all of that. Yeah, so hopefully got some good footage, and who knows, might turn this into a weekend vlog tomorrow, might just leave it there. We will see in the morning, won't we?
Yeah.